na na na. Na 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 na. I predict the diet. I predict the diet. I predict the diet. I predict the diet. Flashbacks last year from Eurovision in Liverpool. That was class. Anyway, Dad. This is Crosby Fc Blues. I just left here. Oh, fucking hell. Bit of episode of Dad's Crazy Driving. Crosby Fc Blues versus Kirkby Woodpecker. What score do you reckon?
2-1 to the Woodpeckers.
It's right. I'm going to go 3-2. You loads of goals. Pitch even is it that? Probably this one, I presume. I don't know what pitch it is. It's LCFA sort of pitch, but I mean, yeah, that's Sunday league because, you know, Boovy Boy fucking turns out and goes on about not being proper linesman, so yeah. I think that is the Woodpeckers over there. Because this is the biggest pitch there, and the other ones are the fucking five-a-side pitches, so he wouldn't be playing on a five-a-side pitch for Sunday league. I mean, you never know with Sunday league, but you know what I mean? Anyway, in a bit, if not, you should recognise me. Anyway, yeah, man. Anyway, it's about 5 minutes, but the odds on me missed about 6 goals. But yeah, Sunday league's good. I get to take off this ground as well. Although, should I really do you call it a ground? I mean, yeah, it's like Gordon Jericho Lane a ground in it, but so am I just doing this famous div dogs? Because obviously it's a ground. Teams play football at the end of the day, don't they? So, yeah. But anyway, tick off on footballogy. But the weather's all up for it today, and will it still be another 45-minute one? Will it be another fucking episode where there's loads? Who knows? I just want to go to as many games as I can before the end of the season because, yeah, we'll have a whole summer where you get the pre-season friendlies and I'll find loads of random ones there, but it's not the point, is it? I just want to fucking, yeah, go to as many games so when I've got the month for out the footy. And yeah, but I mean, there's some sort of international tournaments again, like there was last year. Actually, I can't remember where it is this year, but I know it's in Liverpool anyway. I forgot what it's called, but people know what I mean. But there'll be a few games there in June, but yeah, I mean, I fucking woke up at 8 o'clock and there's nothing to do, so enjoy a bit of footy. Yeah, it's still 0-0 anyway. So big problem, thank God. But yeah, Crosby in the blue. Kirkby in the black, but yeah. We'll follow with the local teams like fucking boss. I am blue, what a drink. Get 70 odd cans of drinks for 24 quid Matchday. Be like that for ages, which is quite good to be fair, good value. Anyway, let's not make this a fucking food and drink vlog. Not for now anyway. But I'm on the right pitch. Here we go. But you know what, yeah, I thought, nope, let's not wear shorts. It's gonna be cold. Very breezy yesterday. Don't wanna get cold, freezing and all that. But can't see it, it's absolutely blitzing. It's roast not. And I'm just standing there like that. Wild from me, that to be fair, but yeah, quarter kick to Crosby. We are 0-0 now, but highly doubt that will be 0-0, so get my camera out ready for goals. The video and non-league and Sunday league and all that, because obviously these games are not going to be televised, obviously. Imagine that Sunday league being televised. So, yeah, get goals for players as well. So you can see it on my channel go. He's right, got my goal there. And you can be happy, so, yeah. For that, just get content out for you all, because she's all legends. I think I see what Ollie means with the linesman. Still has linesman, isn't he? But it's just not proper footy, which I don't understand, because what are they kicking? You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, both of these teams have, you know, scored a reasonable amount of close-ish at the table. I think Crosby are 4th or 5th. And they're packing about 2 places behind them, so yeah, not much between them. But, yeah, it's a bit like this game. This game, as you've seen, has been not between anyone yet. Ooh. A ball as well, to be fair. Very good ball. Does well to get the pass away. Very good tackle up. I think he should have passed it across, but see why he was rolling forward. Fucking see that sun is blaring down. It's so mad. Like, honestly. It's warm. So we don't Kirkby putting some good balls down there. Hey, bro. He's up with him, belter. Or a bit of Iron Brew sometimes. Good header forward. So I mean, it's been a good game, you know, compared to it being no goals here. Both teams have been attacking. There's been a few shots. But yeah, looks like played off fucking Savio, fucking the high school's fucking pitch here. I mean, it's alright, mate. I wonder who the other team is over there. I mean, someone's been absolutely snapped. I don't know how that's not a penalty over there, but yeah. It's a great ball, to be fair, just didn't have the pace to get there. I just right to the referee there, said it's a hot day, and he doesn't mind the drinks play because it is hot. What? I think it was 11:30, fucking boil. Being an alright game, got recognised there from a few of the players and stuff there at the spot. Yeah, just look at the content out, boys. Ball. Kirkby being good though, defending, getting forward as well. He's solid as well, played for past that and then number 4. Yeah, that's me straight away, 30 as well. Oof, good bit of play this. Oof. Ooh. Does well to escape that tackle, but the tackle was good as well. Oh, he's got round everyone. Good save. I think he uses physicality there more. So it's a good way to just not let him get the ball. I like the way the referee just said that everyone's bounced into each other because, yeah, it's very good. He used his physicality, he got in front of him so he couldn't shoot. But the way he just escaped that tackle there, got forward, his skill was good there from Crosby, to be fair, but yeah. Can't really to be fair, though, I want to say. Crosby, when they go forward, they look alright as well, to be fair. Ball was supposed to be smart, I think. It's not like there to get that out with the touch, but yeah, man. Passing's been incredible this game, to be fair, every single player. Say that in the ball gets given away.
Unlucky, lads, unlucky.
Don't know what he's giving there, like. Oh, it's way have to go, straighten the ball up.
Lucky El. Alright, El.
Oh, it's a brilliant baller. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, what a finish. What a goal that is.
Alright, Ellis. Alright, Woody, forget about that. Get your shade.
It's a fucking brilliant finish, brilliant run. What a ball through. Crosby, a 1-0 up. Well, that's the thing, Crosby looking like they can get out the way of all the players with all like the little movements and all that, they're playing good balls, but so Kirkby, that's the thing, Kirkby have played good passes, Kirkby got the ball upfield, I'm sure their goal will come soon enough, you know, I think, but yeah, just been a lot of game, hasn't it, really, there's plenty more chances, but that's open to scoring, it makes the game more open when Kirkby going to go forward to try and score, or when, you know, Crosby are going to come forward to try and, you know, extend the lead, which they will do because they want to extend the lead, so yeah. But it's a very good finish. Just breezing forward, aren't they, Crosby, when they go forward? Oh, good save again. Crosby look dangerous again, you can get past plays. But he's there. Like, Kirkby are good, but Crosby's forwards are just unbelievable. They're just getting forward so well. Good tackle. Keeper does well to make himself known there because to get there because Crosby were on the full foot. Crosby have been right up there. I don't know why my nose is so blocked, but yeah. Jesus Christ, it's a good game so far anyway. Deserves more than one goal, innit? Either team do deserve a goal, but yeah, been good. Yeah, it's like 2-0 to Crosby. A handball gave away a free kick and then ball just got whipped in, smashed it in. And I tell you what, Kirkby woodpecker have just turned off in the last 5-10 minutes and yeah, Crosby made advantage of that, fair dues. That's what he meant to do in football. You know, make advantage of teams' mistakes, make advantage of other teams' fucking low momentum. You know, everyone has high and low momentum in the game. This is Kirkby woodpecker's like 10-minute low spell and yeah, they've been punished twice. But again, it's a decent finish. Just smashed it in, took no shit. Good strength there. Good pass. Bank holiday weekend footy. Can't beat it. Went to 2 matches yesterday. Went to one at the moment today. I might go to Liverpool fans, I don't know yet. And then tomorrow I'll find a game. I think it's either Crew v Doncaster. Well, it's going to be Crew v Doncaster because there's not many other ones. And yeah.
That's the ball!
Oh, what else going on there? Can't just went past. Anyway, yeah. I mean, me and play Macclesfield on Monday, but them tickets have probably sold out. Plus, yeah, I want to go to a League 2 playoff, which would be good. But good luck to me or Mac. And then Tuesday, I'm going to Bolton as well. The ball's been smashed in again, but it's offside anyway. But just ball go across there, bang straight in over the keeper. But yeah, offside there. I was about to get that ball. Ball in that now, lucky. Fantastic cross, good save. 2 great balls and a fantastic header. It was a good save. Nice delivery. And it's goal there for woodpecker. Yeah, beauty, as Divdad says.
Yes, lads!
Quality corner that, like, weren't it? What a cross.
Fantastic ball!
Brilliant ball, fantastic header. I don't know how my dad says in these leagues, their deliveries are so much better. Like, what a header as well, in off the post. Woodpecker get a goal back. Well, that is a very good time to score, just before half time. Like the Tottenham game yesterday, the women. Tottenham scored just before half time and changed the complex. They dominated the second half, they got a goal. Again, made it 2-2, drew 2-2. Could have won us, to be fair, but yeah, in this game, it's changed the complex again here. Goal just before half time, you'll see it. Solid, isn't it? You're running away there. I think he should have had advantage as well. Solid ball across. Wide though.
Come on there! Team again, Bradley!
So he can put a ball in, can't he? Good cross of the ball. Well, half time, 2-1 to Crosby Blues, but I tell you what, Woodpecker have given it a game. They've been really good, but Crosby Blues have been excellent as well. There's 2 really good Sunday League sides here on their case, and goals were good as well, to be fair. So, yeah, half time, 2-1, interesting second half ahead. I still think the 3-2 is on, you know, somewhere along the way. 3-2 either team I'm going to go for, because I think it's a good game, good intensity, second half, show some fight. So yeah, it'll be interesting. Half time though, yeah, right next to them at half time. Listen to all the team talk and all that. Interesting as well. But yeah. One day indeed. Anticipation to get that. It's a great ball down the side, like it. Woodpecker in the corner. Second chance for a cross, that's a better one as well. Ball's bounced off everyone. And put out of danger. Everyone loves a tackle in Sunday League, don't they? Ooh. Some strong contact there, like. Both of these teams are up for this, you know. They're all legging it forward, he's good. Number 4 Express, that means top lad. Ball.
Lucky P!
This round done really well as well. A few step overs, the pace. See what that's like. You can whip in a good corner in, you know. Every single one bar one in the second half. Being fucking dangerous, like. All I want in the first half. And then 2 out of 3 had been dangerous in the second half, so you know what I mean? Just gets the ball right in the middle of the shit fucking danger zone there. Fucking. So he's getting a knock on and he scored, but that one got headed over his own bar. Or a goal kick, so yeah. Oh, sorry, ball forward. Keeper just about gets that. Oh, good strike. Lucky lad. Good save here. He's a top keeper, you know. Get another good attack. Come Woodpecker. Hey. Woodpecker asking the questions here. Get another good delivery. Should just go for a strike here. Oh, yes. Yeah, Woodpecker on top. Oh, he's got him. It's a mad goal. Fucking brilliant that. And it's yet again another fantastic cross from the corner. Yeah, Crosby Blues fell apart. I mean, like I said before, that goal before half time would have just fucking helped a lot. And that's exactly what it's done. You know, Kirkby Woodpecker, look, they're just full of fucking confidence at the moment. And again, it's another set piece goal. Brilliant from set pieces, and you know what? Sometimes these teams should scout that corner taker, because I tell you what, them crosses are fucking fantastic. He just made another fantastic save with his legs. I just come flying in, hit it, just dives and stretches his leg out like a slide tackle. Brilliant save. Good touch. Oh, it's another good save. Yeah, keepers conceded 2, but so good. Made 2 fantastic. 2 or 3 fantastic saves with feet and loads of diving saves. Unbelievable. Another good delivery, but Crosby come out clean. You better put it out the way, danger there. Some absolute libs on that pitch. Everyone's screaming, shouting and celebrating. Wild. Must have been an important goal. Ooh. Fucking hell, that's a good finish.
He was watching that. Come on, it's done now.
Crosby Blues first step at the second half and it's gone in. It's a very good finish as well. But that's why you don't leave Crosby Blues in the attack. I mean, most teams, like mainly Crosby Blues, like first half, they took 2 chances. Second half, they took 1 chance. So, they're clearly a clinical team. I still think that this can be a high scoring game. I mean, I said 3-2, so yeah. But yeah, it's a fantastic finish, isn't it?
Yes! Bobby! Bobby! Yes!
Ooh. Played very well wide there. Ooh.
Really superb! Listen, boys.
I think they would much rather have the free kick, to be fair, than fucking play on there because it's a good position for them. So it's safe. It's always there, that keeper at the moment. Palms are very nice as well, very nice. Really well to get that pass, to be fair. That's exactly what Kirkby woodpecker want. There's another good cross there. Let's win a corner there as well. Oh, what a goal!
Get the ball! Let's go again, Woody! Come on! This is our game! Let's show the character that we've got!
I'm screaming at. Just about got that. My fucking notifications kept coming up on my phone, but got it in the end. The all important goal, 3-3. What a goal that was. What a game. Absolutely brilliant.
Easy ball!
Oh. They've just been brilliant, Kirkby. They've come forward all the time. They've been a dominant side. But then Crosby have been brilliant as well when they're on the counter attack. When they can get a shot off Crosby, they score. Kirkby, they can score as well. And they're getting forward. They're doing everything that they can do. And it's a 3-3 where both teams are putting a fantastic shift. Great advert for Sunday League. Cruising right through everyone. Brilliant. Either team really, just neutral, just thought, just get out there, innit? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I should be able to make that. Watch it again. Get you lifting the trophy up then. Maybe get you lifting up a trophy.
Yeah. Another trophy.
Yeah, about 10 minutes left anyway.
Fluffy sharp.
Oh my god!
Yeah, but Kirkby v Southport Lane still has a big game on Wednesday.
He's on no one with him.
Should be there. Ooh. Oh, fucking hell, what a goal. 4-3 now. Again, now that shows how clinical Crosby are. Scoring 4 goals and having pushed through, fucking hell. With the attempt. But Kirkby have already come back a few times. They've come back from 2-0 and they'll come back from 3-2 down. So it'll be interesting to see how they can pull it back here if they can. But been a good game, 4-3. And yeah. Ooh. That's exactly what Kirkby would want. Corner, when they're dangerous on them. Yeah, Kirkby have a good unbeaten run. Just we never give up, and that's what ask for the team. Just don't give up without a fight. Great interception now. So then there's added time, 3 minutes. Nice one, ref. Yeah, goal kick away. As soon as the ball gets kicked, there we go. So, final 3 minutes. Interesting. Ooh. Just need to get the ball in the box. Ball as well. Ooh. Full time here then. Crosby Blues 4, Kirkby woodpecker 3, and great game of football, 7 goal thriller. Could have plenty more goals, but the goals that really shone. Absolutely brilliant. And yeah, fair dues for a good game. And I'll be back watching Kirkby woodpecker Wednesday if I get the chance. But yeah, very good. Good entertaining game of football. So yeah, that's a great Sunday League game, done and dusted. 4-3, 7 goals, and highly entertaining. If you don't enjoy, like and subscribe. Fair dues to both teams for putting out a good display for Sunday League. Unlucky Kirkby woodpecker had the most chances, but yeah, I'd say draw was deserved really, because can't take not away from Crosby Blues who took the chances. But yeah, good luck in the final on Wednesday. And see you South Port in Ainsdale, because I know a few of you have filmed me too. Always one, like, subscribe.